BJP only managed to win 9 out of 28 seats it contested in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, down from winning 23 seats in 2019. This prompted many political pundits to write off its chances of retaining power in upcoming Maharashtra Assembly polls. Some arguments made by the commentators consist of anger towards BJP leaders, negative impact of Maratha agitation, RSS not campaigning for BJP, Dalits reservation fears led to polarization, agrarian distress in rural Maharashtra. In reality, BJP's situation was never as bleak as was being projected. Despite being reduced to a single-digit seat in Lok Sabha, BJP managed to secure 26.2% vote share in Maharashtra, still the highest amongst all parties in the state. Under the Narendra Modi era, BJP has continued enjoying this highest vote share in Maharashtra consistently, and that trend has not changed. Despite winning only 9 Lok Sabha seats, BJP still managed to win an impressive 83 assembly segments, as against 103 assembly seats it held. This fact counters the argument of widespread anger amongst the people of Maharashtra against BJP. Things can only improve for BJP from its Lok Sabha position. In the run-up to assembly polls, RSS has been working overtime to help BJP regain its foothold in Maharashtra politics. There is not much talk of changing constitution or threat to reservation in Maharashtra's ongoing political discourse, which could have prompted Dalits drifting away from BJP in the past during Lok Sabha election. For OBC consolidation, which constitutes nearly 52% of population, BJP has revived its mother formula, bringing together Manis, Dhangars and Manjaris, the powerful OBC groups. For women's welfare, a lot has been done by Maharashtra government, amongst which Ladki Bahin Yojana has positively influenced the women population the most. For farmers' relief, a lot has been done in recent months, such as 1 rupee crop insurance for farmers that has been a game changer, free electricity to every farmer, onion export ban lifted providing relief to onion farmers in the state, 12,000 rupees are given annually to farmers by the central and state governments combined. By according classical language status to Marathi, PM Modi has brought pride amongst the people of Maharashtra, which will not be forgotten for a long time. Under PM Modi, BJP has been and will continue to remain a dominant political force in Maharashtra.